So guys, hello, welcome back once again in our own YouTube channel High Society Club. And in this video we are going to talk about our interesting topic, and this topic is related to earning. How you can make money online from home. I tell you a simple method which you can earn money, a lot of money from a home. So I have a legit internship website. Another legit internship website. The name of legit internship website is a Sports Gigs. Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs is a legit internship website. Here he is work as a freelancing. So first of all, click here to sign up. So firstly, if you click on a sign up, you will here he will get information. I already have account, so I want to log out this account, and for this I will get to sign up. After signing up, he will get real name for internal verification only, email, password, nickname, country, and here is a profile type. I am a worker or I am an employer, and agree, then sign up. After that, you will get a sign up link on your Gmail account. I think like that. I will open this. So you will get a sign up link like that. I will now show you. And this link, after you click on this link, your account will be verified, and I have already created an account, and now I will log in. After login account, I have a create my account. So sorry, I have a little bit of issue of net, so I want to. So now I will log in my account, and here I have a account. Buyer seller, you can switch this account from here. Easy and simple method. Your profile type has switched, means I am a buyer. If I click on a seller, I am a seller, so I can sell my skill here. So you can browse gigs, you can share and earn. You have a category. I will design a professional business logo. You can everything from in a cheap rate. You can see you have I will design amazing eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Price, I will design 2 professional YouTube thumbnails with the SEO. Get your website approved by AdSense, WordPress, Blogger, see proof. Easy. I will design on attractive flyer. I will design one modern and professional PowerPoint. I will write 20 articles for 15 show without AI SEO friendly for AdSense, 100% plugins free, grammatically correct, research topic included with AI human writer. AdSense approval. I will write 1500 words, no 1500 words, no AI SEO friendly, unique. WordPress auto blogging, unlimited blog post, 100% original post, auto post image, no copyright, no interest. I will set up WordPress auto blogging with 100% original content. Here you will get many services on this. So this is a legit industry website. You can sell your skill or you can earn money. So this is our video, and I will meet in our next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep subscribe our YouTube channel High Society Club. So this is our video. I hope you will enjoy this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel High Society Club. So thank you for watching our video.